Hi. Subscribe.
Yeah. Today we're on a trampoline. I put that on camera.
I hope you can see that one.
Guys, my dog just knocked me over. Guys, apparently my dog's strong enough to knock me. Okay, that's my doggy. Who let that dog out? That's my shoelace, man. Sorry, man, but that's my shoelace. You can't do that. Oompa, guys. Oompa, loop.